Hello students, let's start our chapter crop production, and in this chapter we will understand about crops, how many types of crops are there and how crops are cultivated. Let's first of all understand what is crop. When same type of plants are cultivated at one place on large scale, it is called crop. And now come to how many types of crops are there. According to season, crops are majorly of two types, Rabi crops and Kharif crops. Rabi crops, for example, wheat, oat, chickpea, mustard, etc. And Kharif crops are rice, corn, soybean, sugarcane. These are Kharif crops. And what is the difference between Rabi crops and Kharif crops? Let's see. What are Rabi crops? These crops are also called winter crops because these crops are grown during the winter season. And as we know, in India, the winter starts in near about mid of November. So these crops are sown around mid November and harvested in April or May. In April, we used to celebrate Vaisakhi harvest festival is this. And so Rabi crops are also called winter crops. These crops are sown around mid-November and harvested in April or May. Wheat, oat, chickpea, mustard, almond, broccoli are the examples of Rabi crops. And now let's know what are Kharif crops. These crops are usually sown at the beginning of monsoon season, around June, and harvested by September or October. It means these crops will also be known as monsoon crops. Firstly, we have read about Rabi crops. Those crops were also known as winter crops. Now, these crops, Kharif crops, are also known as monsoon crops. Rabi crops are called winter crops because those are cultivated during the winter season, and Kharif crops are called monsoon crops because these are cultivated during the monsoon season. Winter season means just after the monsoon season. Is it clear? Now Rabi crops are also called winter crops and Kharif crops are also known as monsoon crops. Rabi crops are grown during the month of November and harvested during April or May. But these Kharif crops are grown uh, during June and harvested by September or October. The examples of Rabi crops were what? Wheat, mustard, broccoli, chickpea, etc. And Kharif crops. The examples of Kharif crops are rice, maize, bajra, ragi, soya bean, groundnut, cotton. Just look at these examples. These crops need too much irrigation. They need too much water during their cultivation period. But Rabi crops do not need too much irrigation or too much water during their cultivation period. Is it clear? So, Rabi crops are winter crops, Kharif crops are monsoon crops. Rabi crops are grown during the season of November to April, and Kharif crops are grown in between June and September. Is it clear? But within these two crops, Rabi and Kharif crops, there is one more. Some farmers used to cultivate some more crops in between Kharif and Rabi because Rabi are harvested during April and Kharifs are are sown during June. So in between these months, some of the farmers are in habit to So other crops also, those crops are known as jaid crops. And so jaid crops are also known as summer crops. These are cultivated between the months of March and June. For example, cucumber, watermelon, gourd are the examples of zaid crops. Now, according to season, the crops are of majorly two types, Rabi crops and Kharif crops. Rabi crops are winter crops, Kharif crops are monsoon crops, and Jaid crops are summer crops. Rabi crops are sown in between the time period of November to April, and Kharif crops are cultivated in between the time period of June to September or October. And within those two crops, the months that is from March to June, the summer crops, Jaid crops are also known as summer crops, and these are cultivated during the time period of March to June. And cucumber, watermelon, gourd, and any green vegetables just as watermelon, muskmelon, these come under the category of Zaid crops. So let us take cucumber, watermelon, bitter gourd, karela. So these crops are sown during the summer season, March to June. So these are also known as summer crops. Today we will do only up to this, and on the base of this whole video you have to solve the worksheet. And worksheet is: first question, what is crop? Second, on the basis of season, how many crops are there? Differentiate between Rabi, Kharif and Jaid crops. Give any two examples of Rabi, Kharif and Jaid crops each. Here it is Kharif. D is misspelled. It should be F. Okay. And these much questions you have to do on your notebooks. Take the pic of your work and send it to me. Okay. Thank you.